This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Sikiti. Modern new construction townhome in the Meadows, finished, backs up to the open space. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,936 square feet. Open floor plan with a large gas fireplace with built-in cabinets, a wall of windows in the living room showing off the view of the green space behind this home where you can see trees and wildlife. Kitchen is breathtaking with herringbone backsplash, quartz countertops and stainless steel kitchen appliances included. Master bedroom with walk-in closet with custom cabinet closets built in, and master bathroom has a tiled walk-in shower with bench and glass shower door and tiled floor, quartz countertops on the double vanities with full mirror. Second and third bedrooms have walk-in closet and Jack and Jill bathroom. For more information, review the details below.